Struggling to make sense of your budget? The 50-30-20 rule might just save the day. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple way to manage your money. First, take your income. That's all the money you make in a month. Now, let's split it up. 50% of your income goes to needs. These are things you can't live without. Think rent, groceries, and utility bills. If you're spending more than 50% on needs, you might need to cut back a little. Next, 30% of your income is for wants. These are things that make life fun, like eating out, movie tickets, or that cool new gadget you've been eyeing. Remember, wants are optional, so keep an eye on this category. Finally, 20% of your income goes to savings and debt repayment. This is your safety net and your future. Save for emergencies, pay off loans, or invest for a rainy day. This part helps you build financial security. So why use the 50-30-20 rule? It's simple, easy to remember, and helps you stay on track. By breaking down your expenses, you can see where your money is going and make smarter choices. Is the 50-30-20 rule right for you? Give it a try and see how it fits your lifestyle. Remember, the goal is to find a balance that works for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on mastering your money. Happy budgeting!